Hi, my name is Bonnie, and in this video, I'll discuss how to change your Netflix region. If you're a subscriber to Netflix, you can access Netflix from nearly anywhere in the world, but the catalog of available movies, TV shows, and original content depends on the country where you're located. And in some countries, the Netflix catalog is quite limited. This is because of the differing licensing agreements between Netflix and the various content providers. But there is a workaround that lets you unblock international Netflix content from any location. You can use a VPN to unblock other countries' Netflix catalogs and watch shows not available in your own country. I'll discuss the basics of using a VPN to change your Netflix region and include some troubleshooting tips at the end.
Your device has a unique IP address that websites and apps can use to determine your geographic location. When trying to access region-locked content, Netflix checks your location using your device's IP address, so it's important that your IP address is associated with the correct country. If your IP address is in the wrong country, your request will be blocked. There are several ways to find out your IP address and location. Comparitech has a great tool for this. Just go to the web page linked below. Here is the IP address for my computer, and here is my location in the US. So while I'm in the US, if I want to watch Doctor Who, which is only on UK Netflix, that show doesn't appear in my catalog. The easiest way to obtain an IP address in a different country is by using a virtual private network, or VPN. This software encrypts all traffic in and out of a device and routes it through an intermediary server in a location of your choosing. So with a VPN, you can make it appear that you're accessing the web from anywhere. Not all VPNs can overcome Netflix's very strict VPN ban. In most cases, even if you can see the content you want in the catalog, you'll get an error message when you actually try to watch.
At Comparitech, we've done an exhaustive study of numerous free and paid VPNs and identified a small but select group that, at this time, do work with Netflix. At the top of our list is ExpressVPN, which has multiple servers around the world, is fast and reliable, and comes with the best-in-class security standards and live support. For information on other VPNs that also work with Netflix, check out our article at comparitech.com, which is linked in the description below. Free VPNs, as well as nearly all DNS proxy servers, won't work to unblock Netflix, for many reasons that are also detailed in the article linked below. You'll need a quality paid VPN if you want to access everything that Netflix has to offer.
In my example, I have ExpressVPN downloaded and installed, and the app is up and running. To switch my server location, I'll click the three-dot icon. In the search field at the top, I'll enter United Kingdom. I'll click the arrow at the right to expand the list, and there are several servers I can choose from. I'll choose this server. Then I'll close the Locations menu and click this button to connect. Now when I refresh my IP address check, I'll see my new IP address located in the UK. And back in Netflix, Doctor Who is available for viewing, along with lots of other UK Netflix content. I can always go back to my default server location by returning to ExpressVPN and disconnecting.
Now let's get into some troubleshooting. If you switched your IP address and still can't connect to Netflix, try disconnecting and reconnecting to the same server or to a different server within the same country. Or contact your VPN customer support to see which server you should use. You should also clear your cache and cookies, disable any location services, and log out of any accounts that cache your IP address, such as any Google accounts.
Until now, I've been discussing using Netflix on a browser and not the Netflix app. On Android and iOS devices, the Netflix app can override the DNS routing used by most VPNs, which means that Netflix can determine your true location, though you won't have this issue with ExpressVPN or NordVPN.
Fire TV supports VPNs, though other devices such as Roku, Chromecast, and game consoles do not. The solution here is to install the VPN on the Wi-Fi router that the device is connected to. For much more information on accessing Netflix from anywhere, and a full list of working VPNs, including coupons, click the link in the description below for our article at comparitech.com.